Hello, I am Hidayah Ibrahim Macarandas. I am from Mindanao State University. I am here to fight against human trafficking because I believe I have something to do. This is not about being a hero, but this is about standing for something, for the betterment of the people, because I believe I'm a youth. When Sir Rizal says, ang mga kabataan ng pag-asa ng ating bayan, I answered the call, and yes, I'll be fighting against human trafficking because I guess, nabuhay dun yung katotohanan at kaalaman na matagal nang nag-i-exist yung human trafficking. I remember the story of my grandmother who said na nakabili sila ng bata. He was 4 years old. He was sold by his stepdad. And ang sabi nila, it was siguro hearsays, but ang sabi ng lolo ko, yung bata daw gagamitin daw yun, alay something para sa isang company or isang infrastructure. Tapos, binili ng lolo ko, and that time, I realized, matagal na palang nag-i-exist ang human trafficking. And I guess, we really have to fight against this. Because, humans are not for sales. They are the producers, not the product. We have to do something because kung wala tayong gagawin ngayon, it will continue. And someday, baka nandun na tayo dun sa mismo dun sa event na baka sarili na natin or kapamilya na natin or kamag-anak na natin yung nandun, and it will hurt us. It will kill us because the thought na may magagawa tayo pero pinagpaliban natin. I guess yun yung pinakamalaking sampal. And as an advocate, as a volunteer, I'll go for this fight till I get the justice. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Noman, and I am here to fight human trafficking, to prove my worth, to prove that as a youth, I may not do everything but I can do something. Pagbalik ko sa lugar namin, patutunayan ko, sisimulan ko sa mga pamilya ko, sasabihin ko sa pamilya ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, and to my community as a whole, na ang tao hindi binebenta, ang tao minamahal.
Hi, I'm Vicky, and I'm here to help fight against human trafficking by spreading awareness among my fellow youth. And I'm also involved in a social entrepreneurship venture wherein we target to employ those who are most vulnerable to human trafficking.